Hey everybody, Arco here. Welcome to the third round of the Blizzard's Open tournament, hosted on the GM Arena server. No fixed world dom this week. We are going to be playing a progressive zombie game on Roman Empire Advanced. Flygon Blizzard's on, of course, with a bot, since we do not have a full lobby. Bot X first. We don't see it add anywhere. Does roll at the 5. Does it hit the zombie too? Yes. Okay. That is a 2 territory bonus for a +4. Hilarious. Right. So bonuses could potentially be a factor. We have decent lines for this +3, but we'll see how this ends up going. Players that are in the group, we have a bot, then we got theAPESflynPOO, Master Island Grandmaster, ourselves, Ananias Wellington, Grandmaster, and Trunk Grandmaster. Okay, Apes missed a card. Ugh, lost lost a troop on both of those attacks. That is unfortunate. Not really much I can do about my 3s later on. We'll just go there. Hopefully we can take this bonus. Potentially look to take both of these +3s if nobody's back there. We'll get to see what's on the portal. Zoom out just a little bit and the map should be a slightly better fit. Maybe a little bit more. Here's good. Just have to keep in mind that extra territory. Trunk has apparently lots of bonus options. Either the far right here or this 2 territory bonus. The Blizzards here make this a 1-point hold, but that does include this territory here for the +5. Looks like he is going to go for the 2 territory +4. Makes sense. Probably makes this a 3, fortifies the 2 over, puts the rest here, rolls my 2. And we'll briefly see the top left portals as well before the zombies come in. Ooh, slider error there from Trunk. That might mess up his bonus hold. Does the 3-on-1. That could, depending on the zombie pathing, that could mess him up there. Okay, there's only a 2 on that portal, which is nice. 3 dies immediately, which isn't nice. Okay. Zombie portal there. That 2 probably dies. Oh, nope, that defends. Okay, and that headed to the right. So we have essentially 2 exteriors, and then okay, the bot was in the corner. So now Trunk can just claim all of that. Holy shit. Hopefully Apes doesn't add in this pocket here. Hopefully it's still a 2. Ideally a 1, but hopefully it's still a 2. No, it's a 3. We'll do that. Okay, we get a wild card at least. Okay, only 3, so Trunk didn't hold that bonus. It's gonna be, based on these blizzards and spawns, plus this bot, this is gonna be quite the game. Only 2 zombie attacks as well. Holy shit. Oh man, are we getting 5v3 to the middle? That could be bad. Okay, no. Okay, so only 2 zombie attacks. If Trunk holds these 3 bonuses, then Ananias holding those 2 bonuses, and my bonuses, there might be a zombie infection. Oh boy. That could potentially be bad. Hopefully there's something weak to the right and it heads that direction. If not, we're going to be causing infection chaos here. Ananias does hold the +3 and 4 on what is going to be a 5-point hold, including that unstable portal this turn. There's definitely there's got to be an infection in either this upcoming turn or the following turn. Okay, let's see it. Trunk 4-2-1. Does Trunk also get 10? So we saw him attack in the top left. Yep, Trunk holds these 3. Okay, so this is all of Trunk. All of the north is Ananias. Trunk has a lot of stuff here. He is the kill guard for whatever's behind here. Okay, Trunk trying to be efficient with the troops. Loses. Okay, hits one of the dead ends. So there's only one potential kill guard now. Oh, and the zombies infect apes. The one player without a bonus. Oh no. Oh, where was that? Rest in peace, apes. My goodness. I'm trying to find where the hell was that territory. Oh, back there. Back there in the corner. Oh no. He's not dead. Oh man. The the bot has a bonus. Holy shit. Where is apes then? Is apes just behind trunk 6? Oh my gosh. Bot has that. There might be another infection here. There's apes. Ah, shit. Do I go after his kill? Is he behind trunk? I'm not sure. Oh, man. Man, oh man. I think we don't. Make that a 10. Then I'll add one here. Oh, shit. Okay. Well, that might be all of him then. I didn't realize trunk got smacked through there. Okay. Huh. So something might be behind that 4 still. Okay, he makes a stack over there. Trunk still gets 10. Yeah, the zombies might infect again. And depending on who it infects, will dictate a lot of the game. Might lose my 3 there on the right. Okay, trunk was still down there. Okay. Trunk now is the kill guard on the bot. Is he trying to find apes? Ah, son of a... God damn it. Right, well, there goes that. Oh, mother... What? It went from a 9 to a 12. Oh, no. Oh no! Oh man. Okay, well I'm out of the game. That is me gone. My 3 does survive, I guess. I guess my only hope now is that... Ah. Son of a gun. Okay. The bot sets. Oh, does the bot kill apes? Okay, I'm gonna have to burn my wild card here, I guess. If I see all 3 of apes add there. One. Shit, he's somewhere else. Oh, no. Oh, man. Not good. Not good. Maybe I pretend I'm strong, because I'm getting like last or second last here anyway, so I'm gonna try and pretend I am stronger than I am. And hopefully we can save this wild. Okay, we will save the wild if we survive. God damn it, man. uh, since when does a 9 become a 20? I was expecting potentially a double +1, so that'd be a 9 times 2, 18 plus 1 is 19, but that became a 20 with an 11 drop. Ugh, power of hindsight. Yeah, Trunk still has the bot kill behind that 9. 127. Ah. Okay. Well, I'm down to a 3. Oh, God. Okay, that survives. Maybe that 12 hits apes is 5 instead? Okay. It lost 4, so it has an 8 stack there, which is not enough to hit the 5. Alright, so if apes doesn't find my last spot, I guess I trade and I check this here. Oh my god. Well, this one's definitely not stalemating. Apes does trade the 6. Does he know where my last spot is? I don't remember if he did have vision early in the game or not. Trunk is gonna see me pop out here. no matter which territory I attack. What is he 2v1ing? Is he trying to go for the bot? Uh, 5. Damn it, that wasn't all of it. Ah, crap. My hope there was that the apes had cleared out all the bot trying to go for a bounty. But it's alright. I hit Trunk stack, but Trunk comes back through the portal and kills me. Unless Ananias finds me here. Yeah. Oh. Doesn't get my kill. Hey, ask him to guard me? No! Damn it. Alright. Trunk gets me through the portal. That's alright. I took out his stack trying to go for that, and he gets my kill here. Sets again. Ugh. What a brutal infect and zombie explosion there. Yep, Trunk's checking other stuff. Yes. Okay. Oh shit, I don't die. What is this game? Alright, the bot dies first. Yes. Oh my god. The bot dies first. This is placement in bounties. So I guess that's a small victory for for apes and I. My bounty's on the table here, but I will be setting on 3 in card skipping. Oh my god, what a game. Does Ananias kill apes? Yes! He had that 20 something stack blocking me, so I couldn't realistically get apes there, assuming apes had an 8 there after he card skipped. Oh man. Alright, so we get we get the next best placement. If we can somehow get second out of this, that'll be a miracle. but I doubt it considering there are bounty points in this and I am on a portal. Is also pretty unlucky. As he lights up. 25. Just trunk blast through the 34. I don't even know if that's the correct move or not. Oh man, both of them went right past my 3 and 1. I could have been last, so this is a hilarious middle placement finish here. Did he still get 10? Are these guys still getting... Yeah, Trunk got 10, Ananias got 3. Yeah, so Trunk still has his stronghold. I might just get killed here for the bounty in second, which, considering this is a points tournament slash early round, that is more than understandable. Alright, so me greeting for the 5th card early on was the move, I guess. Even though both my opponents missed me, I don't know. Oh, man. Yep, here it comes. Here it is. Yep. Wow, he got a really good roll on that. Is that his only position? It basically was. Alright, so that is 2nd and 2. 2nd and 2 for Ananias. 1st and 1 for Trunk. Oh my god, he had a 30 over there? Crazy. And then, yeah. No other bounties because the bot died to zombies. I have no clue if zombies count for placement at all. If they are, it looks like Trunk's going to be generous and try and clear that up. A bit dangerous to do that while Ananias is on 4 cards. Alright. Looks like the honor for 2nd is going to be a thing. So I guess we're going to see some Trunk zombie cleanup for the next little while. Yep, trunk doing a little expanding. Those are very favorable unstable portals for him this round. Oh, he forgot about that one, but he only loses a little bit, so nothing too major. Ah, okay, I see what Trunk's doing. He's gonna hold all the unstable portals. Oh no, he forgot about that one. That one goes into that dead end. That one comes up and around. Alright, so nothing too major. And follow that back. Yep, well played. And now he just needs to be on 2 unstable portals there. Or he might try and go for the win this turn. Gonna need a little bit more on that 10, I think, unless that doesn't quite connect. Alright, that should be fine. So on the next trade, whenever Trunk gets his next trade, Trunk should have this. Oh, or he's going for it now. Oh, that's a bit risky. Do they all? Okay, they all don't connect. Not see that little pocket. Set on 3, nice. Alright, good game. So Trunk. I guess zombies are a placement. So that'll be, just like I mentioned, 1st and 1 for Trunk. 2nd and 2 for Ananias, and then I guess we get 4th. Apes 5th, bot 6th. With zombies 3rd. Alright, so that was the 3rd round of the Blizzards Open Tournament. Very unfortunate zombie infect there, but alrighty. So if we aren't eliminated, the 4th round will be sometime next week, depending on the scheduling, with other tournaments still to come, of course. But yeah, GG's once again to all of our opponents. Until next time, everybody, take care and cheers for stopping by.